What's up guys, welcome back to another YouTube video with yours truly, Quiet Like Me. In today's video I'll be basically showing you a regular day living in rural Jamaica, right? So I'll be going on the farm as well as visiting a bee apiary, so you'll see the ins and outs of what it's like being on a farm in rural St. Thomas. And yeah, so come along with me, it's gonna be a long journey. So along the way we found some soursap that I'm wrapping up the puller to pick right now, and then we're gonna take them home and put them to ripe. I'm now on my way to pick some black mango that you'll be seeing shortly. Okay, so now we're on our way to the carrot grow, right? And we'll be rooting up some carrot. Not any heavy amount, just a small amount to use make some drinks. Views. Gosh, look at the sky. The sky. So now I'm finally at the farm, and from the farm you can see so many different places, and it's on a mountain, so you're seeing other mountain ranges. You're seeing St. Andrew, basically the border of St. Andrew and St. Thomas.
Girls can't never say how. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say nah. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say how. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say nah. Oh nah. Give it to me like you need it, baby. Toast up with the game. From food stamps to a whole nother domain. I'm a living proof and compromise. $500,000 drug houses. Looking like a graduate. I was over pink money. I can better basketball. I'm on bus. Red James, 33 chains. Ocean Ave, cruising best game. That's a liability. Boosting my identity.
After rooting the carrots and getting ready to leave, I decided to chop a cane, which is a sugar cane. We have a lot of those, and they're actually really sweet and nice. So I decided to chop a sugar cane and take it home.
Getting to be my one desire. You're getting to be all that matters to me. And let me tell you, girl, I've been free each day I do. A little more love I'll have to give. A little more love that is good and true. 'Cause all I do is think about you. Oh, just thinking about
Okay, so I'm now finished and getting ready to leave. I decided to get one last look of the place, and yeah, I'm now on my way back home, or back to where the car is parked. And these are what we got. We got Soursap and some black mangoes, the carrots, and a sugar cane. And yeah, so we're now about to leave, heading down the mountains. So now after that, I'm now taking off all the markers and stuff off my clothes, because I don't want to carry them home with me and then stick up for them to end up on other stuff. So I'm taking them all off. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching. This is the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share with another friend. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.